What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel Yonder Vision. I hope you're all well today. Now today we are going to be reviewing the third and final pair of the Corteiz /95 pack, and that is in this Oregon blue colorway. So let's get straight into the details about this shoe. Now, I'm not going to stand here and tell you guys that this was an easy cop. This was the hardest shoe to cop out of all three colorways. Now, Clint decided to actually release these first in Paris, and it was absolute carnage all over the place. Like, everyone was fighting each other, rumbling. Like, there was a mini stampede at one point where someone actually got trampled on and had to get taken away. Like, it was absolutely crazy. I think in total he released 50 pairs, and there was thousands of people literally running all over the place. So I don't even know how that even got sanctioned, but he managed to do it. Don't know if he got in trouble for it, but it looked like he might have got a slap on the wrist somehow. But anyway, the second release of the shoe, he actually released it on his Shopify Corteiz website. And I'm not going to lie, that is probably the quickest I've ever seen something sell out there, because it was gone in literally under a minute. Then I thought, oh, that's it, it's done. But I had a little inkling that it might have released on like a sneaker stash, a little sneakers cam type of thing. And I thought, let me just wait until tomorrow, like the Saturday or the Sunday. And luckily, I had my phone on, I had my two phones. I thought, right, I'm not missing anything, waiting for a notification on Twitter or something. And someone did post an image, and I managed to scan the picture and actually managed to cop a pair of these in my size, luckily. There was a few payment issues, but we managed to get through in the end. Now I've got them in hand, and I can honestly say, this is probably my least favorite colorway. But anyway, let's get into the details about this shoe. As the previous two I've stated, it does come in this premium leather all the way around the shoe, but instead this time it actually has a blue hint to it, like on the bottom leather here. It's sort of like a blue, and then it just sort of fades into a grey, and then it fades into a black, and then you've got the black mesh on the side here. On the tongue, you've also got the Corteiz logo on the front here. And on the bottom, it has a Corteiz and the camo again with the blue writing this time. And on the insole, it's the same as the others. It just has the camo inside there. But what they've used on this shoe is pretty good. It's a pretty solid shoe when it comes to materials. Now, when it comes to the fit of this shoe, I would say go true to size or a half size up. It's weird because the green one fit fine, and I felt like I could have gone half a size down. The pink one felt a bit tighter, but this one does feel the same as, like, I say the pink one, it feels the same as. You won't be upset with if you go with either or, but yeah, they fit comfortable, nice shoe. Saying it's not really my type of shoe because it doesn't really have anything about it. You can easily mistake this for a triple black Air Max 95. So I'm a bit disappointed when it comes to that. If they had done like a red or like a green or something, then yeah, that would have been like, you know, pretty cool, whatever. But this blue, it does look nice, it does blend kind of nice, but it's just a bit boring for me, if I'm gonna be honest with you. Now, when it comes to the price, I paid £170 for these off the Sneakers app. It's not that bad when it comes to the other price of the shoes these days. So you really, these days, you just got to really pick and like narrow down what you really want to spend that money on, because shoes are not cheap anymore. Like, they are really getting expensive, so I can literally live without this one, so I'm good not having this in my collection. But anyway, guys, I've gone over the details, I've gone over how the shoe fits, and I've gone over the price of the shoe. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a comment and a like, and subscribe if you're new to the channel, guys. We're trying to get this thing even bigger than it is, and I hope you have a nice day. I'll see you in the next video.